Hello everyone, welcome back. So in the previous video, you said that the issue with this styling. Then the here issue is that simple. hmm inside it, the page.js files registers. The issue is simple, guys. We have imported this style, basically grid. You see that this grid too. So this is the issue. But basically you have imported from the your grid from the material grid too, okay. But if you remove this grid, so let me remove this grid, and then this grid component import from the here material UI, then it's work, okay. So let's copy this grid, and now then you check. Now this is a grid and import from the UI materials. Now let it work. Just refresh it, and if you have any issue we will fix here. So now you see that basically I want this styles. Now this is working here, okay. So the issue with the simple with grid, okay. But here it is display as a deprecated, but it is still working, okay. But don't worry guys, it is working, okay. So now fine, and here we have another logic. You can here basically set the width, okay. You can also set the width, and then you can achieve this style without gridding system, okay. So you can do that, but it is still working with your grid, okay. So just fine. Now the next thing here, this, okay. Here this button is not working, okay. Basically visible icon and visible off icon, it is not toggle here, okay. So let's work on this button first, and you know that for this we have already created functions. I think password toggle visibility, let me see, you see that this functions toggle password visibility. So now this function here define on the top, and inside it here the just toggle your value true to false, false to true. Got it? So go to the top, then this function define on the top. Let's go to the top. I think here, okay, here. So toggle password visibility. So define your function const toggle password visibility equal, then here right inside it, set set so password, set so password, then inside it here we have arrow functions, then inside it here just toggle your password previous, okay. And this previous you have inside it. Got it? So here just switch between showing and hiding your password, okay. Now this is function, so you have already created on the top. So let's check it on the top. You see, basically set so password, okay. So by default its value is the false, but if you just click on the that icon, then you see that then this function execute here, and then change the value from the true to false, false to true. Got it? So just here open it, and now you see. Let me refresh first, and then right here inside it something. So you know that by default it is false, so that your password is not visible here. So just write here anything. hmm you see your password is not visible, but if you click on this, now you see that here your icon also changes from the visual icon to the visual off icon, you see. Got it? Now you see this is a totally working, guys, okay. Got it? Now the next thing here to you have a button submit function, but fine. The thing here, you have already stored name, email, phone, password in the state. So now define your functions. That is the handle submit functions. Okay. So for the functions, I think inside box. Inside this is a container grid. Inside a grid, inside this is a box. Okay. So inside a box. here on submit, then handle register functions. Got it? Then copy this function's name, handle registers. Then here define this function on the top. So handle for form submission to register the user. So define your function, that is a const, and then your function's name, handle register, and it is a sync functions. Okay, make it a sync function, and inside it you can get the event. Okay, here inside it here. Inside it, prevent the default HTML form submission. So you write e dot prevent default. Got it? Dot prevent default. Then here we have some basic form validation to ensure all the field are filled with the data. Okay. If you have no data, then here display basically snake bar notifications. Okay. So that's why here first validate your form. If here if the user is not filled the name input field, if not name, or the next is to not phone or not password. Got it? Then inside it, as well as here also, if not the email, so you write or if not the email. Okay, then inside it here, here message when a field is empty, that is a set snake bar message, and we have already created all the this state. You see that here basically this I am talking about this like a snake bar message and snake bar activities. Okay, so inside it here, right, set snake bar message, all field are required. Set set snake bar message, here inside it here, right, the all field are required. All field are required. Got it? And then also here basically set is set snake bar type to here basically display error message. So set snake bar 70. Set snake bar 70. Here we have basically this function set snake bar 70. So now inside it here value is error. So write it here. By default it is a success, you know that, but if user is not fill the data, then display error message and display the snake bar with the error message. So that's here we have created a state like set open snake bar. You see basically set open snake bar. Okay, by default its value is the false, but here if user is not fill the data inside the input field, basically text field, then try to submit the form, then get a error message, basically validate your form. So set open snake bar, set open snake bar functions, then inside it here now your value will be true here. Okay, now the next thing here to exit the function if validation failed. So here after that return keyword. Okay, here exit the function if validation failed. So now the thing here, then you have a component that is a snake bar. I think let me check here. I think we have not written it. So this is a button component, link component. So close all this, and now at the bottom, here at the bottom, you have a component snake bar. You have imported from the material UI. This okay. This component is snake bar. So copy this component and go to the bottom. Then use it. So here write it. So let me here close. Then inside it you have another component that is alert. So let close this your alert, and inside it you have a okay inside it bracket, snake bar message, snake bar message. Okay. Now inside alert here define a function. Now here basically you just click on this alert and then close this pop-up. You can see it pop up. So just here on close equal handle close snake bar. hmm Handle close snake bar. And the severties snake severties here severties. That is a snake bar severity. Basically here we're getting the value true or false. A snake bar severties. Then add the additional style, that is the width 100% sx. Go to the bottom sx, inside it width, that is a 100%. Got it. Now and inside it is snake bar also you have some function, that is open equal here open snake bar, open snake bar. This is shit we have already created on the top. You see here's something wrong, but go to the top and check for it. Open snake bar. You see that basically this open. I think something wrong with this spelling. Open. Here I think B, not a capital. Got it. Open his snake bar. Got it. Now fine. Then the next is to go to the bottom and then here. Now you see that if it is true, then open your snake bar. Okay, as a pop up. Then auto height duration is 6 seconds. It automatically hides after the 6 second. Then next one is the unclose handle close snake bar functions. Handle close snake bar functions. So we will define these functions. Basically handle close snake bar on the top. Okay, so let me go to the top and then define this the functions handle close snake bar. So copy this, then here go to the top. Here at the bottom. Now here define your function close the snake bar when the triggered. So const here handle close snake bar equal to here write the inside it set open snake bar false. Basically set open snake bar to false to hide the snake bar. So set open snake bar. And its value will be here false. Got it. Now handle close snake bar now false. So I think here here everything is fine. So let's open your applications. Just try to submit. Now you see that here all fields are required. Okay, so this is the logic. And if you click on this is the alert and this is the error. So let me close. Then you see that it is now closed. Okay, so it is totally working, guys. Okay, now the next thing here, whatever the user type, then your console.log, and if everything is fine, so the next is to write it here at bottom. Just write here console.log. Then inside it like name, email, phone, and password. So just here, let's remove this. Also remove this operators. Then here use a comma. hmm Now fine, guys. So let's open your browser and then inspect it. Network. hmm So let's delete all this and then try to use a fake filler. Now you have data. I think here inside the console. Now you see it automatically take here. Now submit. Here why? We have all the thing, but it's with your email. hmm You see it here inside the phone. You have email. Let's fix this issue. I know that here is with your text field. hmm The first is for your name. Let's check here. Your name is fine or not. Name is fine. Issue with your email and phone. Okay, so let's fix this issue. Then after that, the next one is your phone. Okay, here you have a phone. Mm-hmm. Phone set phone. Mm-hmm. After that, here you have email. You see it here. This with that. Here you have email. Okay, and here also set email. Now I think fine. So let's check here again. Mm-hmm. So the thing here, let again fill. Now you see that here you have all the like again here is with what? Let's refresh this. Then again try to fill, submit. Now here you have email, name, password, phone. But here why visible this icon? Mm-hmm. If you have a data, mm-hmm. So let's check this. Let's format your document. Now fine. The here issue with what? Set open snake bar, make it a false. Okay. So the thing here. Let me check here. This is your close snake bar. This is a toggle password visibility. hmm I know that here the issue with what here. Here use the let me cut this all this. Then here use a block key. Okay, inside the this here write your if condition and then this uh, console.log right inside your functions here. So this is the issue with your snake bar functionalities. Got it? So let here again try to fill here details. Just format your document and then inspect it in the console.log here and let use a fake fill to fill all these details. Console.log and submit it. Now you see that here your listening bar is not visible and here you all the detail like name, email, password, phone. Okay, got it. So in the next video we will create a model where you will save your all these detail in the database. Got it. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next videos.